Supplying into major projects. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Watch this video to find out how to build capability and become part of major supply chains. What you'll learn. Supplying into major projects can be complex, so we're here to help you understand what's expected and how to meet those requirements. Our Supplying into Major Projects Supply Chains program gives you advice on what capabilities you need to become part of major supply chains and tap into upcoming project opportunities. Top tip 1, major project market share. Do you think that major projects are only a small slice of the market and aren't sure if it's worth the extra effort? Well, in 2024, the primary major projects sector, and that includes mining, water, gas, electricity, and all levels of government, together with the major supply chain secondary sector, so major retailers, agriculture, manufacturers and construction, accounted for 75% of Australia's gross national product. Buyers in the primary and secondary sectors have similar behaviours and expectations of their suppliers. There is value for your business in major projects and supply chains. Our workshop can help you position your business to turn opportunities into orders. Top tip 2, social licence. Achieving and maintaining social licence to operate is critical to a major project or major supply chain owner. Communities expect businesses to act responsibly and meet their expectations. When they don't, it can lead to public backlash, government intervention, or even legal consequences. Understanding social licence will help you align your business with the values and practices these projects require. Top tip 3, major project supply chain tiers. Now let's break down how major project supply chains work. At the very top of the chain is the proponent or project owner. Next is the Tier 1 major contractor, who is responsible for establishing the project's supply chain. Then come the Tier 2 specialists. The specialists will depend on the project. For example, if the project is a new highway, specialists will be concreters and asphalt pavers. Tier 3 includes a range of local suppliers such as component suppliers, civil construction, earth moving, excavators, water trucks, and a whole range of smaller suppliers. Tiers 2 and 3 is where your business is likely to come in. Manufacturing projects need local suppliers and fabricators to meet their requirements. Even if you're a smaller local supplier, there is a spot for you in the supply chain. Major projects take advantage of supplier resources in the project's local area for several reasons. Firstly, it is more efficient. Secondly, it supports the maintenance phase of the project. Thirdly, it builds the capability of the local supply chain. We can help you find where you fit and how you can link into the right level of the supply chain. Our workshop covers 6 topics. Topic 1, what is the major project, major supply chain market? We give you insights into how it behaves, how can it benefit your business, and how to access it. Topic 2 looks at work health and safety and risk management, a critical requirement in every major project. We cover the major codes and acts that apply and summarise what you need to know about work health and safety. Topic 3 covers the other risk management requirements, strategies and procedures that are expected to be in place for work health and safety, sustainability, quality, information, security and financial stability. We can tell you what's important to getting your business major project ready. Topic 4 outlines supplier requirements, policies and guidelines, with a focus on Queensland Government requirements. Topic 5 covers the skills and workforce management requirements of major projects and major supply chains, ensuring your business can deliver. Topic 6 assistance available to develop your capability to be tender and contract ready. This workshop will help you get major project ready so that when opportunities come up, you have the information you need, you understand what they're asking for, and as a business, you're ready to go. We look forward to seeing you at our next workshop.